So now we're going to teach you a little bit of our fight song. The fight song is something that we perform a lot, particularly at our pre-game show. But it is also a great warm-up, a quick warm-up for us, because it consists of a series of basic exercises that are tied together to create one song of choreography. So we do this in sets of 8 counts. Set number 1 begins with a left slam. Left hand is at the tab, right hand is at the end of the pole. Count 1 is an angle up, shoulder hip angle up, and a lunge to the left. And you look at the pole. That's 1, hold 2. 3 to 4, you are going to pop the silk from the left over to the right, same position. 3, it's in the air, and 4, you catch it on the other side. 3 and 4. Count 5 is flat as you come through, and again, shift your weight to the left. For 6, the angle is down. And then we're going back to the shoulder hip angle. 7, 8, this time on the right. Let's watch Captain's demo set number 1. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice they were squeezing on each of those accents. Let's move on to set number 2. Set number 2 is our J flourish exercise, the one that you learned earlier, but we have to get set into that top angle position. So count 1 is flat. As you bring it up to count 2, where you switch your hand to that top tape and squeeze. Then count 3 begins our J flourish, where you push hard, use energy to get that silk down. The left arm goes out to the A-frame. It comes up on 4, down on 5, keeping those shoulders flat to the front, up on 6, down on 7, and then you pop on 8, squeezing and pulling apart. Let's have the Captain's demo set number 2. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Set number 3 is cones. For the purposes of this video, if you know how to do a cone, that is great. Just follow through with what the counts are. You're not going to move your hands on the pole. They stay right where they are, but you're going to manipulate it into different planes. Count 1 is straight in front of you. 2, arms crossed. Count 3, the silk goes behind you. Notice how their arms are parallel to the floor. That means that helps us be able to see the silk all the way through. If you bring your arm above parallel, notice what happens to the flag. We can't really see the silk anymore. So count 3, count 4, you keep going, it's flat at your eyes. Count 5 is just turning that upside down. Count 6, arms crossed again. Count 7, straight up and down. And count 8, back to that slam. It's just a slow motion cone. Let's watch the Captain's demo, set number 3, cones. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you. Set number 4 is called tracking. Tracking is another kind of flourish that you do directly over your head. There's also a lower body element to this, so we'll take it 1 count at a time. Count 1, you push to flat. Count 2, you bring that pole straight up and down over your head as your left foot comes in to a dig, so right on the ball of your foot, and you're straight up and down. That foot stays as you drop that pole, that silk behind you. That's 3. And then it's going to come up for 4 as you begin to step out with that left, and it's straight up and down. Notice they rotated their upper bodies to the left to bring that straight up and down. The and of 4, bring that left arm around. You're doing a row here, so the and of 4. Count 5 is pointing down by your left foot. Count 6 is down by your right foot, and then you are going to push to flat and squeeze for the drop spin prep that you already know. Squeeze and up, flat, 1. So let's go back to the tracking, and we'll take it a little bit faster, but still thinking 1 count at a time. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, flat, 1, up, 2, down, 3, up, 4, angle 5, 6, flat, 7, and up, flat, down. Yep, and you'll notice the captains, there is a movement element to when we do the drop spins, but let's just do the tracking. The captains are going to demo the tracking, and they will move into a plie on count 1 of the drop spin. 5, 6,
5, 6, 7, 8, 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, squeeze in, up, flat, 1.
Thank you. And set 5 is drop spins. Whoa, so easy. You already know our drop spins, but there is a movement element to this. We're going to move in a side chasse. Caps, can you strip your pole, and we're just going to show them how we're going to move. Yep, you can just hold on to it. It's fine. It's fine. So we're just going to do the movement, and it actually might be helpful if everybody turns to face the back. So we'll have you face the back, and on the squeeze and up flat 1, you step with the left foot. And then the right foot comes in on 2 as you shift your weight. Step again 3. And then you're going to touch that right foot into a tendu on 4. On 5, you place your weight on that right foot and go back the other way. Left foot comes in 6, step out 7, and then touch 8. To demo that with the drop spins, you can remain facing back, please. And we're just going to demo those drop spins with the lower body slowly. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, squeeze and up, flat, 1, 2, 3, touch, 4, 5 and 6, 7, touch, 8. Excellent. Now can you turn and face your different facings, and we'll do it up to tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6.
Squeeze in, up, flat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Thank you. Okay. Set number 6 is a wrap. So we're going to be wrapping the pole around your body. Count 1 is just like a drop spin, but you're not going to put that left hand on it. It's just turning it upside down with your right hand. And now you're going to hinge at the hip, which you'll probably be able to see best with Elena, because she's got the side view. You're going to hinge at the hip as you bring that pole to flat on 2. And then around your hips on 3. And then keeps going around your body on 4. You're going to take your left hand, palm up, thank you, Brianna, and grab that pole, flat on 4. And the pole continues to move around your hips on 5. It moves by your toes on the end of 5, 5 and pulling up to 6, which is at the tab, and a money hand. Then you rotate that a half rotation, straight up and down 7, flat on 8 at your hips with the left hand at the lower cape. So let's watch the caps do that in a slow tempo. 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8, straight 1 up, 2, 3 and 4, 5, wrap 6, 7 and 8. Great, let's have them do that at tempo. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Excellent. Set 7 is Erica's. Erica's is a skill that we made up here at UMass, and we call them Erica's for our friend Erica Jacob, who used to teach here. So an Erica is a lunge to the left, and it's an off-center skill. So they're going to push it way off to the left side of their body and put their right hand right in the middle of the pole. We call that the chittle, straight up and down. That's 1. Notice how big they are making themselves. Then on 2, with energy, you're going to pull that pole from straight around the ellipsis to flat where your left hand is at the tab. That's 2. Now we're going to do a half turn over your right shoulder. So shift your weight onto the right foot and turn 3 and 4. Then you repeat the first half of that, only this time you push it to the right. Push 5, put that left hand just directly under the right hand. Notice again how big they are making that lunge and pushing away from themselves. Pull down to 6. And then to finish this off for fight mass, we're going to do a bottom cone. 7 and 8 as you center your weight. So let's watch the captain's demo Erica set. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, turn around. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great. And the last set of fight mass is a toss. So this is a J toss, which comes straight out of the J flourish exercise. It's just a continuation of that exercise, but using more energy and a toss into it. Let's watch the caps demo the J toss, and then we will tell you how to do it. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, up, down, out, and great, thank you. Come back to that beginning of that set. So you finished your bottom cone of the Erica, and you're going to bring that pole straight up, 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 and the right hand, like a money hand, which is palm up, is going to go right at that top tape. Then the pole continues to rotate, and you have a lot of body responsibility here as you plie. And then the flag continues to rotate, and that left, you're going to shift your weight to the left. That left arm comes out, right foot comes into a back attitude as you jump around to the front. Whoosh. Yes, 3, and as you come down to toss this J toss, remember to come to the flat, and the energy of this toss is coming out of the flat, getting the elbow into the side and just in front of you, but you're going to use your bicep and your tricep to bring that energy up, fingers straight up to release. The flag will rotate around 1 1/4 time, and then you're going to catch it on the angle. It's fun to do in slow motion. You're going to catch it on the angle with the right hand at the tab, left hand at that bottom tape, and as you go into the catch, but not before, that left foot comes back into a cross forward position with those shoulders to the front. Let's watch them demo it one more time. A little bit slow. 5 and 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1,
up, down, down.
Notice those free arms stay beautifully out and open. Okay, great. Let's do it up to speed. Again, as you're watching them face all the different directions, you can watch Brianda for how you begin this toss. You can watch Delaney for how you finish this toss, and Elena is showing you how to do this beautifully in the toaster and how to jump across with that back attitude. So take advantage of all 3 visual points. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6,
7, 8. Up, down.